Jennifer with New Spaces, and I'm here to give you a tour of a 1981 English Tudor that we are in the process of renovating. This is going to be the before video, so you can see the progress at the end. This is a two-phase project. We're on the first phase here and nearing the completion of it. The first phase was a basement renovation. So we totally transformed this lower level into something that their family can enjoy for years to come. So the first room we're going to look at is currently their family room. They use this for lounging and for playing music. They have 3 children. They hang out in here quite often. They have a big TV in here. This room here is going to be their primary living space at the end of this remodel. This will be a big functional room with a larger TV and a sectional. It's going to be really nice and warm and inviting. Then we're going to move the dining room into this area where the home office currently is. So there'll be a beautiful dining room table in here with a nice brick fireplace that you'll get to see. Now we're in their current living room. Their living room is adjacent to the kitchen here. This wall divides the 2 spaces, and we're going to open up the floor plan a bit. The goal here is to open up this wall to create more adjacency to the kitchen space and make it feel more open and connected. Going to the front of the home here, this current dining room is going to be a home office. Moving on to the kitchen, as I mentioned, this wall is opening up, so you'll have more adjacency. They love to cook and entertain, so it'll be nice for them to have a space that they're proud of, that they can fit everybody in and can function the way that they entertain and the way that they live. Back here in the rear of the home, there's going to be a different configuration of mudroom, powder room, and laundry room. We're taking a portion of that dining space that is also going to be partially office and converting this space, kind of rearranging it to make it more functional. I'm really excited to show you these befores because the afters are going to be amazing.